Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple and updated steps on how to install the X app. Whether you're new to downloading apps or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make the process effortless. Let's get started. First, grab your device and open the App Store. This is where you'll find thousands of apps ready to download, including the one we're looking for today. Once you've opened the App Store, take a moment to ensure your internet connection is stable. This will help avoid any interruptions during the process. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in X app. As you type, suggestions may appear below, but make sure to select the correct app from the list. The search results will display the app along with its icon and details. Double-check that it's the official version of X app before proceeding. Now tap on the Install or Download button. Depending on your device, this button might look slightly different, but it's usually easy to spot. It's often highlighted or marked with a downward arrow. If prompted, enter your password or use biometric authentication like Face ID or fingerprint recognition to confirm the download. Once you've tapped Install, sit back and wait for the installation process to complete. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed and the size of the app. You'll see a progress indicator on your screen, letting you know how far along it is. When the installation is finished, it's time for the final step: opening the app. Simply tap Open, and X app will launch immediately. From here, you can explore its features and start using it right away. And that's it. Installing X app is quick and easy when you follow these steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need assistance installing apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.